Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error or issues in Waze app on a device. So as we know that Waze app is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn directions, alerts for hazards, speed traps and road conditions. So to know how to fix login errors in Waze app, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very strong and stable internet connection so that you won't face any kind of errors while logging. So also there might be various updates in app, so you need to be up to date with your app. So to update your app, you need to simply go to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can go to your Play Store and update your related app. And at the very bottom right, there is the option search. You need to search the app, and after that, if there is any kind of updates available in this app, you need to simply update your app and fix the login errors. Third, you need to go to your settings, and after that you need to go to the option general, and again you need to click on the option iPhone storage, and again you need to scroll it up and click on the app Waze in which you are facing login error issues, and you need to click this app. Here you can see the option offload app, which is highlighted in color blue. You need to simply click on that, and again there will be the option reinstall app. You need to again click in this option reinstall app, and within few minutes or few seconds your app will be reinstalled again, and you won't face any kinds of errors while logging in this app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.